Hello, I'm Thomas Newsom, President at Southeastern Oklahoma State University, and the University and Southern Oklahoma Workforce welcome you to Discovery Day, a day when you can learn what you may want to be. Today is about you and how Southeastern Oklahoma State University can make your dreams come true. You'll learn from a number of different professionals about what they do. You may be wondering why you're even worried about college right now, because after all, you're only in the 8th grade. We want to give you an idea of how Southeastern can help you be what you want to be. And after all, it's never too early to start dreaming. We may be a small school, but many of our graduates go on to make a huge impact, especially in the scientific community. Southeastern has helped turn students like you into inventors, researchers, and groundbreaking first-generation scientists. So what can you become? Of course, there's a classic option of doctor, like the well-known Doc McStuffins. And Southeastern can prepare you to become a pharmacist, a physical therapist, a nurse, or dentist.
I am your dentist, and I enjoy the career that I picked.
Southeastern can help you on your way to developing new flavors for your favorite candies and snacks, analyzing DNA from crime scenes, or develop greener cars for a safer environment. Want to work with animals? You can major in science and become a game warden or park ranger and keep our national parks and their animals safe and thriving, or oftentimes from attacking people.
Delta, I see you. Back up.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be? I think I might choose the ability to fly. At Southeastern, not only can you learn how to be a professional pilot,
build a rocket ship and then we fly it far away.
No, not that kind of pilot, but you could work for major corporations like American Airlines, or become a private pilot to the stars like many of our graduates who work for Blake Shelton or Reba McEntire. You can also learn how to manage and maintain aircraft, manage an airport, work in airline security.
Miss, you cannot be up here.
Hello, Grandpa.
At Southeastern, the sky's the limit. Maybe you've thought about opening your own business, running an Etsy store, a hair salon, or even a restaurant. Anyone interested in money? Maybe banking, accounting, or finance is in your future.
What do you do?
I do the numbers.
Oh, good for you.
An education at Southeastern gives you lots of avenues to get into business. Whether it's opening your own business, working at an advertising agency, becoming a chief executive officer, or maybe a hotel manager.
What kind of idiots do you have working here?
The finest in New York.
This year, safety is on everyone's mind, and it is so important. But it's not just wearing a mask and staying socially distanced. It could be a career path for you. Southeastern safety majors keep workplace employees safe on construction sites, in factories, in manufacturing plants. They work for oil and gas, insurance, and transportation companies. If there's a job where employees need to be safe, then there's a career for you.
Oh, not the CDA.
Yep, these guys were definitely safety majors. So I know each of you have several years of school ahead of you, and you wish you could be in school forever. Okay, so I know you really want to finish school and get out into the world. But what would you say about teaching and coaching the next generation of students? And an education at Southeastern offers direct pathways into the classroom, whether it's high school art class, middle school math, or a kindergarten room. To each their own. Become a coach for basketball, football, a marching band director, a dance teacher, a volleyball coach, a choir director.
Dr. Newsom.
Too much? So if you want to turn your passions and your hobby into a career, then Southeastern Oklahoma State University can take you there. Did it go in? Thank you once again for participating in Discovery Day, and thanks to the Southern Oklahoma Workforce for helping us put on this presentation, a day about you, when hopefully you will discover maybe who you want to be in the future. Again, thank you for joining us on our campus at Southeastern Oklahoma State University, and go Savage Storm. Go Savage Storm.